Hey buddies, 51 Easter, and we're here with another tutorial series. A pretty short one. There'll probably be only two videos, this one and another one. And this is Tappy Plane. For those of you who know what's made off of, you're probably laughing right now. This is for people who want to make and create video games similar to Flappy Bird. All the assets and all that stuff will be down below in the link. And hopefully guys you enjoyed the tutorial, or will enjoy the tutorial. So let's get straight to what we will be doing today. We have our plane chooser, and then we have our plane button. I'm going to choose the green one because the green one only has the code on it right now. We hit play and instantly the gravity takes place. We're falling, but fall is pretty slow. So, nothing huge happens, but this is the introduction to it. So, yeah. Okay, so the first thing what you're going to need to do is you're going to need to go to New, and then go to New Intel XDK project if you want it for an Android or a mobile device, or Cocoon.js, or let's see, I'd choose empty project. Or Intel XDK, or a new mobile project. Okay, so the reason why I chose XDK is that I'm going to export it to Android, and I'm going to let you guys all just download it for free. I'm also going to be uploading it to, I believe, Congregate Games, so you guys want to play it, I'll put the link down below in the next video, and you guys can just play it over there, and have fun with it. So, on start of layout, Intel XDK prevent auto rotate, and set orientation to landscape, and set time scale to 0. This is basically the freeze time while you're choosing your plane, and then when you hit play, the play button, it'll set time scale to 1, and 1 represents normal time. Plane animation, that is just the normal 3 frames of the plane with its, let's see, can we increase? No, we can't. With basically the plane with its rotating propeller. So I got 4 of those. And then play button on animation, on left click, hit play. The animation button down. On the button released, set animation to button up. So it's a simple 2 sprite button animation. This you don't have to worry about. This is for next time. And then, so this ignore anything that says airplane chooser. And this goes straight to in-game plane. On left button clicked, set position to sprite 9. So we have our blue plane. And we hit the blue little icon and it sets it to this little green box. So it'll basically drag this blue plane over to that green box. Like that. That's basically what that code does. And I just copied it and duplicated it about 4 times, but I just changed the button I clicked and represented it with the color I wanted, and then said, okay, for each plane I don't want, I'm going to send it back to port, and port is this little brown squiggly box off to the left side. We hit play button, so we actually hit the play button. We hit that play button. Set animation, set the play button to port, set basically everything to port, and set the blue box invisible, set sprites invisible. So this blue box, that sprite, and that sprite, where I set the fonts, those actually aren't text boxes. Those I went into Paint, paint.net, typed some fonts, erased erase a white background, and so those aren't actually lettering because Intel XDK does not support. I mean, it does support, but it does not work very well, the text boxes. And then on left click play, you'll set timescale to 1. Now what you can do is actually just copy this and just send it straight up to on left button released. So actually what we can do is copy paste, and then drag that all the way up here. Boom. And then I will add a weight. So we go here and we go to weight. Wait 1 second. And then do that. So hit green. Actually, we should a left button released. I'm going to copy that. Then I'm going to delete that because we shouldn't actually need it now. Hit green once. Yeah, still got some bugs to it. So just ignore that part. Okay. So basically, on left click button, on the green button, click play. We're gonna set our position of our green button to port. Set everything basically with port. Set the blue huge gigantic box to invisible. Hit the blue sprite font to invisible. We have 2 of them, so we're gonna set those invisible. Set time scale to 1. Space is when space is down, set green plane. Set platform vector to green plane. Basically all I did there was hit green. So basically I just selected green plane, typed in vector Y, clicked on the green plane, typed in vector again. I clicked on Y vector, and then I just added -100. So did that, -100. Done. Boom, and we're done. And then gravity. On system start layout, set gravity to 0. Yeah, set gravity to 0. Shouldn't actually need that anymore, actually, because that's disabled. Yeah, okay, so that's good. So we choose our plane, hit play. Yep, never needed it. So basically, yeah, so we have our time on, unpause. We have our time paused up here, and so space is down, we jump. So that's what we get right here. So hopefully that wasn't, too crazy. I'm kind of tired right now, so my brain is kind of going loopy. Okay, but that should explain everything pretty well. I'll probably go over everything a little bit better in the next video, as I usually do. I go over a bit of what we did last time, and then add new. So in the next time, we're going to add movement toward our right. We're going to always move to the right, and then we're going to have these icicles or rocks to evade. And then it'll be pretty easy. And then what I'm going to actually do next time, maybe for a third tutorial, is set easy, medium, hard, and then it will actually spawn more or less of these rocks depending, on whether you choose medium, easy, or hard. So hit the like button if you liked it, ask questions down below, and I will be uploading this really soon, and the game will go up really soon to Congregate Games. So I will see you all later, guys. Bye.